Is that so fun? Come on, Ken, you gonna go again? Hey, Roxy. Skate is at home. She doesn't like the snow. I'm gonna take her for a quick walk later. Meech! Help Kendall! Help Ken! Oh. Oh! Meech, you hit the tree stump? I think it's a tree stump. I... You going again, Ken? Is this so fun? Ken, you coming down again? Ken, your slide's backwards. It's backwards. Cam, you coming down?
No, Connor lives down by the court. I can't. No, stop. Alright.
Hurry, Ken, come over.
Alright.
What?
Mom, you're not about to be the only parent. One's parents are coming.
My mom's coming, bruh. No, I really don't care.
There's parents up there.
You don't know them.
I don't like those people.
Ken, you alright?
Yeah, my
Daddy's watching this video.
That's the man. That's
In Roxy, girl.
That's Noah. Noah. That's the man that came to our house when I fell on the street when there's He's right
That's
there.
him.
Yeah, it's right there.
So he's probably gonna have a talking to me, huh?
If he talks to you, just walk away. Don't talk to that stupid man.
That's What did he do? Cause you were riding in the street,
And I fell. And then
and the mom came first, right?
Yeah,
And they kept coming to our door.
yeah. And they smell like fish.
You went to their door to see what they wanted.
Yeah.
What'd you say when you knocked on the door?
The guys came to my door, but my mom wasn't home and my dad was sleeping. And he said, well, yeah, I was gonna, I need to go check in with your mom about what happened when you fell. I was like, oh, yeah, I already told her what happened. I already told her. He said, oh, yeah, I'm gonna just double check with her mom or your mom. And he just keeps stuttering and does not know how to talk.
Yeah. Kendall, Daddy said, "Hey, mouse."
He's on there live?
Yeah.
Can I see? No, I
No.
want to see the chat.
Oh, the chat. He said, "Hey, mouse."
Hi. We're going sledding. Is Roxy on there?
Yeah, there goes Cam.
Can I see Roxy?
All the way
What
down.
did she say?
Roxy said, she said, "Hi guys, where is Skade?" I told her that Skade doesn't like the snow.
You do.
She peed right on the deck because she would not go down.
This morning?
Yes.
I saw that big yellow spot.
She wouldn't go down, and then I locked her out, and I went downstairs, and I was calling her name from the window downstairs.
She didn't go down?
She did, but she was going crazy because she couldn't find me. She said, "Are you kidding me? She's not related." She said she wished I would have told her that we were going sledding, and she would come out here with you guys. Oh,
Roxy would have came?
you okay? She just flipped. Meech, should Roxy come and sled?
She's going to have to buy herself a sled.
We wouldn't share a sled. And what about the friends and family discount? Oh, Walt said, "Larry."
Tell her, since you eat my cake, you got to give me 3 treats. And you call me Larry.
He ate your whole cake. I said that. I said that was the one thing he picked from the store. Meech, then you dropped it out the shopping cart. It fell upside down. That
Are
cake's
you on Instagram?
Facebook. Oh, Miss Dawn from Berkshire.
Yeah.
She said, "Hey, snow babies."
I'm not baby.
I know. You say, "Hey, Miss Dawn."
Hi, Miss Dawn. I'm eating food.
You know where she is? She is in Florida right now.
Tell her to buy me something from Disney.
No, we didn't say she's at Disney. She's in Florida.
In Jacksonville or Orlando?
I don't know. But those aren't the only places.
I don't know. I know.
Oh, Miss Dawn said Skate needs doggy shoes and a snowsuit.
She could just borrow mine.
Yeah, should we go home and try to stuff her in one?
Yeah.
We can't even get the harness on her.
We're going to have to put her hat on her.
Should we try to stuff Skate in a snowsuit?
Yeah. No, because then she's going to flee in the snow and poop. And I don't want to eat snow.
Miss Dawn says she's in Clearwater. Remember we went to Clearwater? That's that picture of all of us at the beach. And Kendall was a baby.
That was hard.
Ew. All right, stop eating that. You guys are probably eating something gross.
It's good.
Nordstrom Main's Uggs?
What's that?
Uggs for dogs?
There's Uggs.
Nordstrom makes Uggs for dogs.
Look, Norcross.
Nordstrom's. It's a store at the mall.
Who told you that?
Miss Dawn.
I'm going to buy her some shoes.
Ooh, Kendall, you want to buy Skate some shoes, some Ugg boots? Ugg? With your money? With your birthday money?
I'm from that from the show.
Oh.
No, I'm stuck.
Miss Dawn said don't eat yellow snow. You're not? You guys gonna sled anymore? Oh, look, they're doing like a train. Like we did.
You mean how you and Kendall didn't let me go?
You were connected to us. You fell. You twisted off. I ended up coming off the sled on my stomach, holding on to Kendall.
I
cannot understand that. Kendall, you gonna sled some more? Huh?
No, I'm not sledding. I keep hitting my leg on a rock.
That's the tree stump over there. You just gotta go the other way. A little bit the
I'm
other.
hitting the snow so hard. I'm going sledding again.
Where's Cam? Cam's not up there anymore? Where'd Cam go? Who are all these people? Watch out, watch out, watch out. Oh, Cam's back there.
I'll be back. Record me. Don't sledding.
All right. You fit in there perfectly. Kendall, you feel cold anywhere? Your hands or anything? Your face? Yeah. We can go home and we could go home and get some hot cocoa. No. Ah! What's that about? I can't even make one right now. I only have one glove on. Don't hit the rocks. Yeah.
I think we're gonna head to the next hill.
Miss Dawn, this hill is in our neighborhood. I didn't even know it was here. It's just... No. Why would I know the hill's here?
This is the hill.
Peed on it.
I'm going up here. You wanna watch me?
Yeah, I'll watch.
What is that?
Wait, you're on live? Yeah. I'm on live of you throwing
Is
a
that
snowball
Cam?
at
Wait,
me.
somebody said Cam. I think. Oh.
No, they didn't.
Look at Kendall yellow snow.
What's good, La? Stop.
Right here.
Ew, Meech, you ate that.
No, I didn't.
You
I'm
ate
on
the
the
yellow snow.
On the sled, I didn't
Meech!
I did not eat it. But I'm telling you something that did happen.
What?
What ate my cake?
This is a steep one. Now, how's she gonna come with you? She didn't bring up a sled. You missed. Get on the sled with Cam. Kendall, you're gonna mess all the snow up. What? Well, I think our shovel's at Uncle Corey's house. Oh, you got people to do the work for you. Come on, Ken. I got a bad feeling about this. Hold on to her. That was kind of weak. You were hanging out. Here, Ken. Take your blue one and you do it. I think the blue one does better. Where's Meech? Where'd Meech go? Well, hey, Uncle Darren, thank you. Some random little hill in our neighborhood. Put your feet in. Oh. Hurry up, get out of the way. Whoa. Look, they're gonna come down. Let's just sit over here on the rocks. Whoa.
See ya.
See ya.
I think we're going to a new hill.
What new hill?
We got Mom.
We went to Miss Sonia's house.
We have one faster than this.
You do? My hands are freezing though. Yeah, but then I can't. No, your hands will be freezing. Mine are freezing. Yeah. Don't touch. Don't touch the snow. I know. Yeah, keep your gloves on. Can you get them on? You can't do it? All right, let me see. Oh, shoot. I don't know if I could do it. Come here. I think Cam and Meech went to another hill. Here. Here. Put your... Oh. All right, you want to go up there and we'll see where Cam and Meech are? But we got to bring our sleds. True. I can't even get my glove on. You're hiking? You hiked up there? Cam, you're gonna mess the snow up. Why are you doing that? Oh, man. Kendall, you hiked all the way over there? Oh, man. Huh? Where are your gloves? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Liza's watching. Hold on. I can barely walk. I'm gonna fall. Say hey, Liza.
Hi, Liza.
Oh, shoot. Oh. Ah. Well, why'd you take your gloves off? Come here, Ken. Whew. All right, I'm gonna turn. Oh, goodness. Ooh. I'm gonna turn our live video off. I know. Say bye, everybody.
Bye.
Hold on, let me figure out how to shut this.